Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to log in another Samsung account on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on your Samsung account. Now from here, just scroll down. Now from here, just sign out your current Samsung account. Now from here, just tap on sign out. Now from here, just enter the password of your Gmail. Now once you enter the password of your Gmail, just tap on OK. Now once you sign out your current Samsung account, just tap on sign into your Galaxy. From here, just tap on sign in with Google. Now from here, just tap on add another account. Now from here, just enter your lock screen password. Now just enter the Gmail of your other account. Now once you enter the Gmail of your second account, just tap on next. Now from here, just enter the password of your second account. Now once you enter the password of your second Gmail account, just tap on next. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on yes, I'm in. Now just tap on I agree. Now from here, tap on next. Now just enter the password of your second Gmail account. Now once you enter the password of your second Gmail account, just tap on next. Now from here, just tap on continue and tap on select all. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on continue. Now from here, just tap on I have read and agreed to all the above and tap on agree. Now from here, just enter your phone number. Now once you enter your phone number, just tap on send. Now just wait for a few seconds for them to send the verification code on the phone number you have just entered. And as you can see, we have already received the verification code on our smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on verify. Now just tap on OK. Now just tap on create passkey to create a passkey for your Samsung account. Or you can tap on set up passkey later. Now as you can see, this is how you can log in another Samsung account on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.